Are your email campaigns underperforming? If open rates are dropping, conversions are slipping, or emails are landing in spam, your list may need cleaning. A bounce rate over 2% signals trouble. ESPs track this, and too many bounces can get your account flagged. If engaged subscribers stop opening emails, poor list hygiene could be pushing them to spam. Growing your list fast? More contacts mean more fake or invalid emails. Plus, if your list is over 6 months old, 20 to 30% of those addresses could be dead. Spam complaints over 0.1%? That's a warning sign. And if your ESP is sending alerts, don't ignore them. Your deliverability is at risk. The fix? Verify your list. A clean list means better inbox placement, higher engagement, and more conversions. Don't let bad data kill your email performance. Follow this space for more sales and marketing insights.